GEN3 is very excited to form a new partnership with the company Reliability Assessment Solutions for Electronics, and this tester is able to tell you about the physical robustness of a circuit board, and the part of the board that we're testing is either the plated through hole, a blind via, or a buried via. And these test coupons are prescribed by the IPC, and a lot of circuit board manufacturers are turning to this type of test, which is very fast in terms of giving you a quality metric on the robustness of the metallization that went into the fabrication of the circuit board. The test allows you to do fast temperature swings from -60 to 140 or 150, where temperatures just below the TG, and we can also do reflow assessments, preconditioning with this instrument or this machine as well, where we can go to a simulated peak reflow temperature of about 280 if needs be. So a typical experiment, we might do some of these simulated reflows to start with, maybe 6 reflows, and then we switch over to doing hot and cold cycles, and we do as many of that as needed, and we're looking at the change in resistance of these nets, and that gives you your fitness for purpose or robustness of the circuit board materials.